Hello everybody, how you doing? This is Fahad and this video is about how can we use the YouTube videos within an HTML document. The easiest way to play the videos in HTML is to use the YouTube, because then you don't have to worry about the video formats and all that. Let's just go to the editor and see how can we use the YouTube videos. Alright, now you can see editor and we have the basic structure of the HTML document. Now to use the YouTube videos you have to use the iframe. We have learned about the iframe. You have to use the iframe element, and in iframe element first of all you have to provide its width. Now you have to provide the URL of your YouTube image, but there is a one thing here that you have to provide the embedded link of the video. Alright, not just a simple link. Alright, so if I just go there and copy the link of my own video and paste it here and save it and run it again, and it won't work. You can see that we are kind of having an error that YouTube refused to connect. Alright, so you don't have to use this link, you have to use the embedded link. Okay, if you want to put YouTube video into your HTML document you have to use the embedded link. And how can you get the embedded link? All you need to do is to go to the share, click on this option embedded, and then you would get the embedded code of the video, but you have to copy this link here only. Alright, copy this, paste it here. You have to only copy this URL. There was a mistake here. Alright, so I think we are good here. Save it again and run it again. Now you can see my own YouTube video into an HTML document. Okay, so this is how you can use the YouTube image into your HTML document. And one more thing here, if you want to autoplay your video, all you need to do here is go to the question mark and autoplay. Alright, and give it a value 1, so it will autoplay your video whenever you open this web page. Alright, and if you also want to mute your video along with the autoplay, so you have to write the mute here and give it a value by 1. 1 means that it will be muted. If the value is 0 then it won't be muted. Okay, so same goes for the autoplay. And one more thing, that by default we have the controls on the YouTube video. So if you just want to turn off the control on the YouTube video, all you need to do, write controls and equal sign and give it a 0 value, and then you won't have any controls. Alright, so this is how you can use the YouTube video within the HTML document. And this is all for this video. If you really find this useful, hit the like button and subscribe the channel, and bye bye.